Hello children, back again. I hope you are happy to see me. I brought something new for you. Some new interesting lesson. But before the lesson, would you all like to hear a story? Story? Yes, you like to hear stories, isn't it? Okay, now this is a story about a cloud. Okay, so let us see whom did the cloud meet along its way and what did they say to the cloud. So let's get started. Now one day a cloud was floating in the sky, merrily dancing and rolling and singing. Okay, and then he met a peacock. What did the peacock say to the cloud? "Oh cloud, why don't you rain? If you rain, I will dance for you." The cloud said, "Okay." And the cloud went further. Then he met fish in the pond. And what did the fish say? "Oh, pretty cloud, why don't you rain? We need more water. Please rain for us." And the cloud said, "Okay." And it rolled further. And now it met a farmer. Farmer said, "Please rain, cloud. I want to sow seeds for the next crop. So please rain for us." The cloud said, "Okay." Next, the cloud met children like you. Small babies, children like you. And what did the children say? "Oh cloud, we like you so much. Why don't you rain? We will make paper boats. We will dance in the rain. We will jump in the puddles. Please rain for us." And the cloud said, "Okay." And the cloud started to rain heavily. Okay, and then what happened? The peacock opened its beautiful feathers and it started dancing in the rain. And the fish were so happy in the pond to see so much water for them. And the farmers started sowing seeds. We get crops, isn't it? So the farmers started sowing seeds as it started raining. And bacha party like you, they all made paper boats and they danced in the rain and they jumped in the puddles and they enjoyed the rain. So, what is today's lesson, children? Can you guess? Any guesses? Yes, teacher is going to teach you about rainy season. Okay, so shall we see? Okay, now here, remember children, we have 3 seasons. Okay, we have summer season, winter season and rainy season. Summer season is when we feel very hot. Okay, winter season is when we feel very cold. And rainy season is when it rains, when it is wet everywhere. So remember, there are 3 seasons in India. The summer, winter and rainy. We also call it as monsoon. Rainy season is also called as monsoons. So summer, winter and monsoons. Okay. Now let us see what happens, what we wear, what we eat during rainy season. Now first of all, during rainy season, we see the peacock opening up its beautiful feathers and dancing. And we also see the frogs under the mushrooms. Next, we see the snails. And earthworms and slugs. These are the creatures that we see during the rainy season. Next, what do we wear to keep ourselves dry? We wear a raincoat, a hat, gumboots and gloves, and we carry an umbrella so that we don't get wet in the rainy season. So these are the things that we wear. Say with me children. Raincoat, umbrella, hat, gloves, gumboots. Okay. Next, what do we like to drink? Soup, yummy tomato soup, hot and spicy. And mama likes to have a nice cup of tea or coffee, isn't it? You like to have hot things here. And oh ma, mouth-watering samosa and corn and bhajis, pakoras. Wow, tasty. Hot, we like to have everything hot because it is very cold outside. So we like to have hot things. Very good. Next. Okay. Now this lesson, children, is conversation. So these are the questions which teacher will ask you and you have to answer them. Okay. Now the first question here is, how many seasons are there in India? So you will say, in India there are 3 seasons. Summer, when it is hot, winter, when it is cold, and monsoon, when it rains. So 3 seasons. Now number 2 question. Which season do you like the most and why? So this is your own choice answer, children. You can answer anything. Rainy season, I like rainy season, or I like summer season, or I like winter season. And you have to also say why do you like that season. Okay, it is your own answer choice. Next, what do you wear on a rainy day? Maybe you carry an umbrella or you wear a raincoat. So you have to say, I wear a raincoat, a cap or a hat and gumboots on a rainy day. Next, which rain creatures do you see during the rainy season? We already saw, we see snails, frogs, earthworms and slugs during the rainy season. Now where does a snail live? A snail lives in a shell. There is a shell on the snail. So the snail lives in that. The snail carries its home wherever it goes. So that is its home. The shell is its home. So a snail lives in a shell. That was it, children. This is rainy season. This is for conversation and you have to answer the questions asked by your teacher. Okay, children? I hope you have understood the lesson. Okay. Now, again as usual, some activity time for you, some fun time for you. So let us see what teacher has got for you. I am going to show you how to make a paper craft snail. One big circle, one small circle, 2 strips, 2 small circles like this, black sketch pen and a glue stick. Now fold this circle into half. Now take this circle, stick this over here. Stick the small circles here. stick here like this. Stick this here. Now here draw a circle for the eyes. And this will be the shell, the home of the snail. Now keep it here like this, and you can see that it can move like this. You can push it down like this and see it moving and smiling at you. Okay, bye children. Thank you and take care.